Study of theodolite. Objective: to study different parts of transit theodolite and temporary adjustments. Definition and terms. Vertical axis. It is the axis about which the telescope can be rotated in a horizontal plane. Horizontal axis. It is the axis about which the telescope can be rotated in a vertical plane. Line of collineation. It is the imaginary line joining the intersection of the crosshairs of the diaphragm to the optical center of the object glass and its continuation. Axis of the telescope. It is the line joining the optical center of the object glass to the center of the eyepiece. Axis of the level tube. It is the straight line tangential to the longitudinal curve of the level tube at the center of the tube. Centering. The process of setting the theodolite exactly over the station mark is known as centering. Transiting. It is the process of turning the telescope in vertical plane through 180 degree about the Tronian axis. Description of equipment. Telescope. It consists of eyepiece, object glass and focusing screw, and it is used to sight the object. Vertical circle. It is used to measure vertical angles. Leveling head. It consists of two parallel triangular plates called tri-bridge plates. It uses a 1. To support the main part of the instrument, 2. To attach the theodolite to the tripod. Lower plate. It consists of lower clamp screw and tangent screw. Upper plate. The upper plate is attached to the inner axis and it carries two verniers. It consists an upper clamp screw and tangent screws. These screws are used to fix upper plate with lower plate accurately. Foot screws. These are used to level the instrument. Plumb bob. It is used to center theodolite exactly over the ground station mark. Swinging the telescope. It means turning the telescope about its vertical axis in the horizontal plane. A swing is called right or left according as the telescope is rotated clockwise or counterclockwise. Face left. If face of the vertical circle is to the left side of the observer, then the observation of the angles taken is known as face left observation. Face right. If the face of the vertical circle is to the right side of the observation, then the observation of the angles taken is known as face right observation. Changing face. It is an operation of bringing the face of the telescope from left to right and vice versa. There are three temporary adjustments of a theodolite. These are: 1. Setting up the theodolite over a station. 2. Leveling up. 3. Elimination of parallax. Setting up. It includes two operations. 1. Centering a theodolite over a station, done by means of plumb bob. 2. Approximately leveling it by tripod legs only, done by moving tripod legs radially or circumferentially. Leveling up. Having centered and approximately leveled the instrument, accurate leveling is done with the help of foot screws with reference to the plate levels so that the vertical axis shall be truly vertical. To level the instrument, the following operations have to be done. 1. Turn the upper plate until the longitudinal axis of the plate level is roughly parallel to a line joining any two of the leveling screws A and B. This figure shows you leveling of foot screws. 2. Hold these two leveling screws between the thumb and first finger of each hand uniformly, so that the thumb moves either toward each other or away from each other until the bubble comes to the center. 3. Turn the upper plate through 90 degree, that is until axis of the level passes over the position of the third leveling screw C. 4. Turn this leveling screw until the bubble comes to the center. 5. Rotate the upper plate through 90 degree to its original position, figure A, and repeat step 2 till the bubble comes to the center. 6. Turn back again through 90 degree and repeat step 4. 7. Repeat the steps 2 and 4 till the bubble is central in both the positions. 8. Now rotate the instrument through 180 degree. The bubble should be remaining in the center of its run, provided it is in correct adjustment. The vertical axis will then be truly vertical. 3. Elimination of parallax. Parallax is a condition arising when the image formed by the objective is not in the plane of the crosshairs. Unless parallax is eliminated, accurate sighting is not possible. Parallax can be eliminated in two steps. A. Focusing the eyepiece. Point the telescope to the sky or hold a piece of white paper in front of the telescope. Move the eyepiece in and out until the distant and sharp black image of the crosshairs is seen. B. Focusing the object. Telescope is now turned towards object to be sighted and the focusing screw is turned until image appears clear and sharp. Figure shows you main scale and vernier scale.